Vector Robot by Anki, a home robot who hangs out and helps out with Amazon Alexa built-in. Mopping that fits seamlessly into your life, ideal for multiple rooms and larger spaces. Navigates around objects and under furniture. Cleans finished hard floors including hardwood, tile, and stone. New bed cleaning robot ROCKUBOT cleans your bed with auto-sensor system. It cleans the bed in just minutes with smart navigation system and ultrasonic technology. Best for home, hotel, travel and family. Powerful and delicate cleaning. No wheels. It performs both driving and cleaning at the same time using two round-shaped mop pads. This is called dynamic dual spinning technology patented by iRobot Incorporated. Creative way to learn coding. Artie 3000 is the coding robot for kids, where you design the code, and Artie 3000 draws the lines. With pre-programmed designs, beginners can start coding right away.